Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this time I'm going to be handing over the virtual baton to the Vice President, India Business from Technics, Khalid Sheikh. It's over to you straight away.
Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the Economic Times Global Digital Summit. My name is Khalid Sheikh, and I'm the Vice President for India Business, representing Techniques Integration Technologies Private Limited. Today's session, I will like to enlighten you about how to transform your business processes, using the digital business automation platform. Before we get into the solution, I will just give a brief overview about our organization. Techniques Integration Technologies Limited was founded in the year 1998, and we have a collaborative workforce of 400 plus employees across the globe with an average 15 years of techno-functional experience. We have offices in Hyderabad in India, Houston, Texas, Dubai, UAE, and we aim to be a trusted partner for end-to-end technology solutions for our customers, providing innovative, cutting-edge, optimal technology platform. Directly jumping into the offerings which we have for the digital business automation. The digital business automation solutions is based on the 6 pillars for us. First is the paperless office, which is eCarrier. Second is the invoice automation. Third is the HR automation. Fourth is supplier portal. Fifth is the freight automation, and sixth is the knowledge management. So we cover, especially for a manufacturing customer, we cover the entire the life cycle of your data, right from a paperless office to the knowledge repository. Some of our key solutions or products which we have to offer is accounts payable. Accounts payable, as the name suggests, most of us are aware, is basically processing of the invoices which vendor submits to you. Some of the traditional pain areas why we automated this solution is it is very human driven. That means it is a manual labor task. Due to the different teams which are involved and people which are involved, most of the times the invoices get lost during transition or movement, either from one department to another department, from one office location to another location. There is no automation because manually someone is verifying that particular invoice details with the backend ERP. All this thing results in a delay in the payment, as well as that results in a delay in the invoice payment. Since it is manually driven, there is no audit. Everything is based on the remarks which the person writes on that particular invoice, the account executive, and the whole process is very person specific or person centric, because the person who's currently processing that particular invoice, he or she only knows how to do that. Now, to address all these pain areas, we have automated this particular process, which results in reduced operational costs and paper usage, which increases your eco footprint. It also gives a visibility of the entire process, internal stakeholders as well as to the vendor, which ensures transparency. It increases the approval time as well as the compliance to suppliers. The whole process for an invoice automation, it ranges from 1 day to 2 days, and once the process has been done, it is posted for payment, and based on the milestone, the payment happens. It eliminates the invoice transportation from one department to another department, or from one plant location to another plant location, because it can be centrally digitized or it can be digitized at the plant level. And it improves your employee efficiency and productivity and reduces the dependency on very skilled labors. Jumping onto the solution architecture overview, it consists of 3 components. One is the capture solution, second is the process automation, and third is the posting or the repository. Now, in the capture, the invoices can be ingested in the system either using a physical paper or can be in a digital format put onto a shared centralized location. We also have an add-on vendor portal through which suppliers can submit their invoices, as well as we can configure email ID for vendors to submit the invoices as a attachment. Once the invoices are submitted, it goes through a extraction process wherein we use multiple components, okay, which are available, including your AI engine, to extract the data from that particular invoice. Okay, so we use the IBM data cap, we have the IBM RPA solution, and to do the extraction. Once the extraction happens, we initiate is the verification process. The data is validated with your backend ERP. So that integration is agnostic to the whole solution. Your backend ERP can be SAP, it can be Oracle eBusinessware, Tally, Infor, okay, or Siebel, anything. Okay, we'll be able to integrate that thing, okay, the solution with your backend ERP for automatic verification. Once the verification is done, we save this particular invoice into a document management system as well as push it into your backend ERP. Once the whole process is done, there is a dashboarding and reporting module which is available, which gives a management reports. It has a query module for accounts executive to raise queries with the vendors. A brief snapshot overview of the invoice. Okay, so on the left hand side is the solution. The scanned invoice is shown, the paper invoice or the invoice which the vendor has submitted. On the right hand side, the extracted information is shown. Now the extracted information this is completely configurable screen, wherein which are the fields which are OCR. Okay, typically there are certain elements only which can be extracted from the invoice, but if you need additional information, that also can be captured. We have the backend ERP this thing fields which have been extracted for verification based on the purchase order number, and then you can build certain rules in this particular tool that the invoice date has to be in a specific format. Okay, the GSTN number should be in this format, the number, okay, or the text which is there. So at the first level itself, you can have the data verification. Okay. This is a high level workflow overview. Okay, so it starts from the user department which gets the particular invoice. It goes to the mail room for digitization. Okay, the basic verification from the ERP happens. Then it is available to the account executive. The account executive performs multiple tasks on that particular invoice. Like for example, verifies exception handling, DOA approval, does a manual posting, accounting adjustments, advances which were given. Okay, the account executive verifies that thing. Okay. Once the account executive verifies, it goes to a supervisor for as a validation. Once the supervisor approves, it goes to the payment executive for posting this particular invoice for payment. Then we automatically push it onto the bank side for payment approval. And once the payment is done, we update the UTR. So this is a typical cycle, okay, which is there embedded in the solution, which is completely configurable. We have customers who wants the end-to-end this thing process of the payment process. Okay, some customers say we only want the maker-checker concept. We only want the account executive to verify this particular invoice and directly do a posting. Payment we will take care in our ERP. Fair enough. It's a matter of a few days to dealing this whole process and configure your backend ERP. Okay, completely configure. This is your workflow overview, wherein on the left hand side you have is the invoice details. On the right hand side you have is the attachment of your invoice. You can look at the history, who are the people who have approved, what is the journey which the invoice has gone through, and a summary. You have an option of raising a query, completing this particular invoice, rejecting the invoice. You can look at DOA approval, putting the invoice on hold, okay, or saving the information. Okay, we can have a completely configurable GUI based dashboard, okay, to give the visibility of the cash flow, the number of invoices which are in pendency, how many have been completed, the productivity of departments, the productivity of account executive. All those dashboards are available. Okay, this is the gist of a supplier portal, okay, wherein the suppliers will be having access over here to upload invoices, look at contracts. Okay, they'll be able to look at discounts. They can ask for early payments. Okay, they can request, they can have a look at RFIs, RFPs which are uploaded. Okay, so along with the invoice automation, we have this thing, a solution of purchase requisition, wherein we PR to PO. Okay, so that also can be provided. Okay, Some of our other distinct solutions are we have contract management, processes for finance, HR, vigilance, Q&I. Okay. Some of our focus area have been primarily on the digital business automation, identities, access management and security, cloud service and integration, application support. We cater to industries like the healthcare and life science, BFSI, oil and gas, pharma, manufacturing, automobile and travel. Some of our clientele list, look in India, Parle Products, Aditya Birla Group, Axis Bank, Ultratech Cement, TVS Motors, PNB Housing. These are some of our esteemed customers wherein we have provided this thing, the accounts payable solution. Tata Sky. Okay. We are a technology partner to multiple OEMs. We are a CMM level 3 certified organization. Okay. And for any info, for further questions or clarification, you can reach out to my colleague, Mr. Narendra Kumar. Thank you and have a nice day.